Hello everyone, this is Liana Jaffer from Sir Syed College, BSc Zoology. My topic of seminar is extinct birds. What do you mean by extinction? Extinction means the termination of a kind of organism or species. Hence, they are no longer extinct on Earth. It has been estimated that out of 11,154 known bird species, 159 have become extinct or exterminated, such as moths, dodos, passenger pigeons, pink-headed ducks, etc. The main causes of these huge extinction are hunting, introduction of new species, and habitat destruction. Let's know more about passenger pigeon or wild pigeon, whose scientific name is Ectopistis migratorius. It is an extinct species of pigeon that was endemic to North America. Its common name is derived from the French word passager, meaning passing by. Due to the migratory habits of the species, the scientific name also refers to its migratory characteristics. The pigeon migrated in enormous flocks constantly for searching for food, shelter, and breeding grounds, and was once the most abundant bird in North America, numbering around 3 billion to 5 billion. Passenger pigeons were hunted by the Native Americans, but hunting intensified after the arrival of Europeans during the 20th century. Pigeon meat was commercialized as cheap food, resulting in hunting on a massive scale for many decades. They fell easy prey to man, mainly because of their crowded nesting habit and communal flights in large flocks. They even blacken the sky above and take 2 or 3 days to pass by. Hunting pressure was on them, which was intense, and the last wild population of passenger pigeons was hunted to extinction by 1900. Martha, the last passenger pigeon, passed away on September 1, 1914, in the Cincinnati Zoo. We have all heard about dodo. The dodo, Rhaphis cucullatus, is an extinct flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. Perhaps it was the first bird known to have become extinct in the modern times. It was a large, sluggish, and swan like flightless Mauritian pigeon that adopted terrestrial mode of life. It was about a size of a turkey, with heavy body, large and hooked beak, and short snout and four-toed legs. The bird fell an easy prey to man, although the flesh of dodo was said to be tasteless. The bird was mercilessly killed by sailors for food, and its eggs became the target of pigs and rats introduced to Mauritius. All these led to the extermination of dodo by 1861. It is known that live dodos used to be exhibited in Europe between 1600 and 1640 and in India between 1628 and 1634. But there only remains a head and foot in Oxford, a foot in the Natural History Museum in London, and a head in Copenhagen. Most of the bones in the museum come from swamp deposits that are no longer accessible. Now let's know about a mutualism shown by the tabalik or dodo tree fruits and the dodo. Stanley Temple believed that the dodo, which became extinct in the 17th century, ate tabalik or dodo tree fruits, and he believed that only by passing through the digestive tract of the dodo, the seeds of the dodo tree could germinate. Because after the extinction of dodo, there was a great decline in the growth of dodo tree plants. The endless greed of human has led to the extermination of many birds and animals. And we all know that there are many birds and animals which are included as the endangered species around us. We should understand the truth that the survival of these birds and animals equally it is important for our survival right too. Hence, we should conserve these birds and animals for our future life. Hence, I would like to conclude my seminar. Thank you.